everybody, welcome to my crochet nook. I'm Linda and today I have been nominated by Wendy Stanbury to answer 10 non-yarny things about me. I will put Wendy's link below. She's another UK YouTuber, so please check her out. And I've got 10 questions. So number one is my age. I am 60. I celebrated my 60th in September last year during lockdown, and I'll be 61 in this September. I'm married to my fabulous husband Rick. We have between us 3 boys. And we've got 6 grandchildren as well. So yeah, I met Rick when I joined the Territorial Army. I was a radio operator and he was my boss, and the rest is history, I think. I was his 40th birthday present because that's when we had our first date. Pets, as you all know, I've got two cats. I'm a cat lady. Fluffy, who's my little precious white and tortoise shell markings, and then I've got George, who is very much a daddy's boy, and he's a tortoise shell tabby cat. He's long and slender, and yeah, so they're my cats. Occupation, well, at the present time I'm retired. I took early retirement when I was 50, and to follow my dream of getting involved in the mixed media arts, and I was very fortunate to work for quite a few companies. I demonstrated over in Germany at the trade show, and I did a lot of demonstrations in the UK in Birmingham as well. Yeah, so I travelled quite a bit around the UK doing demonstrations, Harrogate, Birmingham, where else, Manchester, and yeah, so I was very, very fortunate. I was there at the right time to be offered these positions, and I loved it. I did it for those 10 years, but I'd been paper crafting and then mixed media. Well, paper crafting first, card making I did for over 20 years. And then the mixed media I did for the last, I would say 7 years, possibly. Could have been more. I was very fortunate to go across to Turkey and do a workshop in Istanbul for using Cadence products with Imagination Crafts, owned by Sue and Harvey. And yeah, and then November last year I decided that I needed a change, and I needed more time with my dad and whatever. And because I'm the carer for my dad, so it took up a lot of time, and it was getting just a teeny bit stressful, so I changed, and here I am today, a crocheter. I've always been a knitter, so yeah. Hobbies, well, as you all know, I crochet, I knit, and I think those are really 2 of the predominant hobbies I have at the moment. I do enjoy reading. I like Tom Clancy and Robert Ludlum. They're my favourite 2 authors, and I like reading about motorcycle clubs as well. So yeah, I do. And I like travelling. Unfortunately, due to COVID, we've not been able to go on holiday for the past couple of years, but who knows. And I enjoy soaking up the sun, and nothing beats sitting out on the deck chair, soaking up the sun rays and reading a good book. So yeah. Favourite films, oh my gosh, favourite films of all time are the Harry Potters. I just love Harry Potter. Yeah, they're my, and then I love all the Marvel movies, and that Jason Momoa and Robert Downey Jr., Chris Evans, and Chris Helmsworth. Oh my gosh, yes, Chris Helmsworth. Very, very old movies, and the old stars. I very much like James Bond. Sean Connery will always be my favourite James Bond actor. And I like musicals as well. My favourite 2 musicals are White Christmas with Bing Crosby and Rosemary Clooney, Vera Ellen and Danny Kaye, and oh gosh, what's his name? Who did Moonlight Serenade? I can't remember his name now. Oh, James Stewart and June Allison was in it. Famous, I can't remember. Hopefully it'll come to me before the end of the video, but I love that film. He died in an airplane crash. Oh gosh. Glenn Miller. Love that film. Favourite TV shows? I don't really watch a lot of TV shows, to be honest. I know everybody's raving about Peaky Blinders, and that's on my list to watch. Oh, Line of Duty, I really enjoy that. Yeah, I'm not really into telly programmes. I do not like Love Island, Big Brother, anything like that. Oh, Strictly Come Dancing, I do enjoy, although I can't dance for toffee. But Strictly Come Dancing, I thoroughly enjoy that. Piercings and tattoos. Tattoos, definitely not. I hate needles, so there is no chance you will get me to sit in a chair while somebody sticks needles in me to create a picture. No, definitely not. Piercings, I've got my ears pierced, and that is enough. Something I would like to do. Something I would like to do. I'd like to go back to America and visit some of my yarny friends. That's what I would really like to go. I'd like to go and visit one of my friends, Deb, in Texas, and maybe go across and manage to see Gina, Knitting Turnpike. And yeah, so yeah, I think, and travel around the country, see if I can see Dana and all, V as well. Oh, I've got to go to V's. And then maybe go across to the Netherlands and see Barbara, and then go across to South Africa and spend some time with my Ursula. Things I've started to do during the lockdown. Right, during lockdown, Rick and I started walking 4 days a week, and I'm pleased to say that we're still doing it. I've stopped having my hair cut. I know we can go to the hairdressers, but I've decided I'm going to grow it. I want to get it to about shoulder length. And with it being naturally curly, it doesn't matter if I cut it or not. So I'm just leaving it to see how long I can get it. What else did I do during lockdown? Oh, I started my crocheting. I returned to my crocheting. I got rid of all the mixed media, and I decorated my crochet nook. That's something I did, and best decision I've made. I love it. I can sit outside, I can sit in here. Oh, and I started doing video lives as well. Wow. And I met so many lovely crocheters, knitters. I've met so many wonderful people within the fibre community, and made so many friends. And there are my 10 answers. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope it's given a little more insight into me. And if you've got any questions or that, leave them in the comment. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that bell icon and subscribe, so that when my videos go live, I do videos Tuesday, Thursday and Sundays, and then I'm live on Wednesdays, every alternate 1 p.m. and 5 p.m. British summertime, or 8 a.m. and 12 noon Eastern. And thank you all so much. And before I go, I just want to say thank you and welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing, leaving your comments. I do read them all and I do answer them. And don't forget, once a month I have a giveaway. On the first Tuesday of every month I have a giveaway, and it's worldwide. So I do hope you can join me. Thank you so much for watching today. I think I might have done this before, but hey ho. And I am going to nominate Ursula, OM Granny Square. Check out the links in my description box where all my members are. Check them out, and stay safe, be kind to yourselves, and have a fabulous day. Bye for now.